Hi guys, it's Christmas season and you all know it is during this time that visitors flock our homes, and therefore I'm here to upgrade my kitchen with the best dinner sets and serving dishes. And I'm at Kamukunji, and therefore I decided why not tag you along, guys, to plug you at least with the best deals here. And I've just entered the first shop, which is opposite Kamukunji police station at Gateway Mall, at the basement shop number 7, which is called Favored. I'll just pin the details at the comment section so that if in case you need to reach out to them to deliver something, or maybe you want to buy something that you've just spotted, you can call them. And in this video, I'm going to showcase some of the unique things that they have and their prices. We have the sugar, coffee, and tea dishes that are going for 3,000. Very beautiful and unique things there. And then there's this beautiful gold wine glasses with the jug that you can see there. This one was going for 3,500. And there's these non-stick pots. They were ranging from 6,500 to 10,000. And najua mnajiuliza ni kwa nini, ina depend ni brand gani na quality yake, And then there's this beautiful 30 pieces dinner set, which was going for 6,800, but pia alisema kuna hizi za maua za kitambo ilikuwa inaenda for 6,500. And then we can go to the serving dishes. Hizi mix za kitambo zilikuwa zinatoka from 4,500. And then hizi za kisasa zinatoka 5,000. As you can see, the white dishes, they are so beautiful and presentable, and even unique. Si kitu imekuwa kwa market sana. And then there's this ceramic dishes zenye pia unaweza weka kamoto hapa chini. I don't know how to call it, but watu wenye wako conversant na hizi vitu wanajua. And then there's this beautiful white dishes. Pia hizi zinatoka 6,000, and the ceramic ones as well. And you can see they are very beautiful things. Hizi vitu by the tao, unaambiwa bei unasikia kuanguka. Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this world that I create. And then there's these sugar dishes that are going for 1,600. Yeah. And then these ones are going for 1,300. So beautiful. These ones are salt shaker. They are going at 350 to 500. Yeah, they're so beautiful. And then there's the honey dispenser, which was going for 500. The one you can just see in a clear jug. And then there's this tumuiko, najua wengi wenu mko nazo home. These ones were going for 350, and the mortar that was going for 500. And then we have these chopping boards. The one in the red one was going for 500. The white one, it's 700. And then there's this one for bamboo at 1,000. So you can see those are very unique things. Hautazipata kwa manyumba mingi, and they are so beautiful. For the pans, kuna pan ya 650, kuna ya 1,000 na 1,200, and then kuna deep pan ama frying pan that was going for 1,500. The one that you can see there is a frying pan. And then this one was going for 3,000. Yes. And then there's the chapati maker, which was going for 3,500. There's the chapati maker. Watu wenye wajui kumake chapatis around. If you buy this one, you are sorted. Alafu we go to the serviette holder. The one in silver goldish ni 1000. The plastic one was going for 400, and then yenye inakaa iko na wooden hapa juu ni 600. Yeah, beautiful things, classy, you know. Alafu pia you can choose a color, a theme color for your dinner sets, your kitchen. The egg boiler was going for 800. And then these are also more dinner sets. As you can see, I think I mentioned the price was 6,800. Yeah.
Fighting storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated.
For the spoons, there are the kawaida ones that are going for 150, 200, and then there's the ones that are in gold, and the other cutleries that you are going from a range of 1,000 to 1,800. But they are super beautiful. There's these containers for spices. They were going for 800 a piece. And then there's this spice rack that was going for 2,500. Very beautiful and unique. Si kujaza maspices tofauti kwa nyumba. Alafu there's this other one yenye unaweza andika majina ya spices in the container. This one was going for 3,000. Yes.
I am someone else, away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name, and I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you.
We have these beautiful mugs that we are going for 1,800, 6 pieces, and then the silicone spoons that we are costing 2,500. Yeah, and then there's these oil dispensers. The clear one was going for 500, and then the other one was a 700 and 1,000. Yeah, and then this fruit holder, this one was 700 for the silver and gold 800. There's table mats that were ranging from 500 to 1,000 depending with the quality. There's these beautiful containers and spoons that can spice up your kitchen. You know, we need classy kitchens and dining tables.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? How can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name, and I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine, and we back.
Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain and rain. I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with their assumptions. Cause I do what I gotta do and I know, can't nobody do it like me. All they do is judge me for who I might be. Maybe if they took some time to pick my mind, they see that I'm cooler than lemons and iced tea.
keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell on, and for those who are coming back for more, thank you for always tuning in and feel appreciated. See you on to the next one. Bye bye.